I've come to bargain. Benedict Cumberbatch's Doctor Strange could have been nursing one of these. The Aperol Spritz. Crisp, bitter, and impossibly elegant. 4 things make this one: Prosecco, Aperol, a splash of soda water, and a slice of orange. Start with 3 ounces of Prosecco. Mionetto Brut is the classic Italian pour. La Marca is the reliable supermarket backup. Keep it cold and dry. Add 2 ounces of Aperol. The brand is basically synonymous with the drink. That bright bitter orange and rhubarb flavor is what makes a spritz a spritz. Fill a wine glass with ice. Pour the Prosecco first, then the Aperol, and top it with a splash of soda water. Gently stir, and garnish with a fresh orange slice. Dormammu, I've come to bargain, and this time I brought refreshments. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.